futuristic piece of equipment.
It does, doesn't it, Sarah? It kind of looks like a helmet from Star Wars,
It
doesn't
does.
it?
That is exactly what I was thinking. Tell me, what exactly does this helmet do?
Well, this is a radio frequency device called
Okay.
RF. And
RF.
RF treatments are done to heat the dermal tissue
Okay.
to high levels to tighten the skin underneath.
Okay, skin tightening. What areas of the body can you use skin tightening on?
Just about anywhere, and we can do on the face as well. So
Okay.
this device does body and face radio frequency, and this device specifically is called the RC Power, and it's made for us specifically to do body and facial treatments. Now what it does, Sarah, is we take a handpiece like this, and it's called a bipolar, and the bipolar means that it's got two different poles here.
Okay.
And so when you put this on the body, you work it an area about the size of your hand, and you would run it like this to heat up the tissue
Okay.
down in the dermis,
Okay.
and that tightens the skin up.
Okay, so you can use it on body, face.
Yep, the face aperture is a little bit smaller, so we can unscrew this handpiece and put on the facial attachment really
Okay.
easily.
Oh yes, it is a good bit small.
So it heats up the dermis, Sarah, and we measure the results by measuring the temperature on the epidermis, which is the outermost layer.
Okay.
So the epidermis can get a little bit warm, and so this has got an extra advantage in that this is a cooling device, an electronic cooling device, so if it gets too warm, we would run that over the area wherever you're treating and cool it down.
Nice. How quickly can you see results? I mean, skin tightening, that's exciting. How quick?
It is, and radio frequency is one of the newer things in the industry, and a lot of people are asking about it and want to know that exact same question that you're asking.
I'll bet.
Well, like anything in skincare, Sarah, you need multiple treatments
Okay.
to get the best results. So you can do this a few times a week. You're going
Oh.
to see results after the first treatment, but each time you do it, it gets better and
Of
better.
course.
So your limitation is going to be, how many times can I do it?
So here's another question for you. Could you combine this with other treatments?
That's the best thing about this is most people are going to want more than just skin tightening.
Right.
So you can do this in addition on the same day with a microderm, with a chemical peel, with a laser treatment.
That's exciting.
There's another treatment that actually works on the fat tissue and helps to break that down. So you can, what we call stack treatments pretty easily because they're working on different tissue areas.
I can see how that would be very appealing. The only thing is, you say skin tightening. Is it uncomfortable?
It's not that uncomfortable, Sarah. Now, part of the protocol is you got to learn how to use this. So
course.
with any piece of equipment that you buy from us, you're going to get hands-on training.
Yes.
And so the best way to use this is to use it with some guidance. And the first time, it's just a little bit weird doing it for the first time because
Right.
most people doing body treatments are used to doing face treatments. And so now they're migrating into other areas that you as a client want.
Right.
So we're going to train you how to do this when you're working in your office. You got to learn how to do this so the client gets the best results and wants to come back again.
Definitely.
So it doesn't hurt. It gets a little bit warm, but not.
But you've got this to cool
That's
down.
right. But it's not uncomfortably warm. It's really easily tolerated. So the clients love having the treatments done. It's very relaxing,
Good.
and they see the results very quickly.
That's always nice.